Hello guys. Uh, so there is a problem of code force educational round 151 div to problem number A, title forbidden integer. Here you can already read this problem, what is asking the problem and how it is write the code is, and you already read this. So we can only see the code and you understand how to write the code efficiently and the accepted. So you can check it. So you are given an integer and which you want to obtain. Here, this is given n. You have an unlimited supply of every integer from 1 to k. It means k, we write uh, n uh, between the numbers 1 to k. यानी ऐसा नंबर लिखना है 1 to k कलेक्टिंग ऑफ ऑल द वैल्यूज इक्वल टू द एन, यानी सम करना 1 to k की वैल्यूज का, जो कि सम है एन हो जाता है. सो वी प्रिंट आउट यू आर अलाउड टू टेक इन आर्बिट्री अमाउंट ऑफ ईच दीज. कैन यू मेक द सम ऑफ टेकन इंटीजर इक्वल टू एन? ओके, so this is, can you make the sum of integer equal to n? If there are multiple solution, answer print any of them. Understand this. This h says that in this a line say that suppose if given a one integer, it has a more and answer, one or more answer, so you can print any of that. Okay, so in fact first line contains a test case, and second only line of each test case contains three integers and kx, and which we want to print the sum of n and k given value, use only the integers 1 to k, and x, it means don't use x when we calculating the sum of k as number. Okay, so in the output क्या करना है, for each test in the first line input print yes. If we make the sum by using integers 1 to k, so we print yes, otherwise no. If suppose you print f, then yes, sorry, yes, if you print yes, then you also add some points like first you will say, print the yes, key we will definitely make the sum of numbers, and second line collection collect ki how many number you can take it, so that's with the sum of equal to the n, so you can print out, and then you print how many of the number you can take, so that you print out. Okay, so you can check the input. First line give it the input 5. First is 10, 3, 2. It means n की value given है 10, n की value given है 3, और k की value given 3, and x की value given है 2. Okay, let's be the dry run. Okay, you can check here. So here given n 10, k equal 3, and x equal 2. X equal 2. Okay, so let's clear. Okay, so can you use it k की value जो given है, it means 1 to k, 1 to k, it means 1, 2 and 3. Use the value of k 1, 2, 3, don't included the value of x, and to make the sum that equal 10. Okay, so we don't use x की value 2. Can I print the can I write the value of front k, so which is equal to 10? Okay, so can I write a 1, 1, 1, 1, 3? So the sum of this number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 7. Can we write it? Okay. Can also we write it 3 and 3 and 1, 1, 1, 1? Can I write it? Okay. Can you also write it 1, 3, 3, 1, 1? You can print any of the multiple answer you can print out, but Goal is determine the sum of number. Use the sum on 1 to k, but don't include the number x, which is the value given x. Okay, so let's me how to calculate. Suppose suppose when x is not sorry x is equal 1. Okay, okay, let's again we discuss. Suppose x is not equal 1. Okay, यानी x की वैल्यू 1 नहीं है. It means k की वैल्यू if here k given anything. Okay, if k given the value of anything but don't use x not equal 1, यानी x not equal 1 नहीं है. It means x की वैल्यू है वो 2 होगी and 2 और 2 से बड़ी होगी. It means if the n equal anything, suppose 10, so can be write the number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 6 to and 10 times. We write the number 10 times. Okay, this is a simple test case. You can print out any of them. But one case handle if n equal 1. Okay, let's again explain. If n, k, x, all the three numbers are equal 1, it is possible or not, कि don't use 1 and make it someone. It is possible? No, not possible. So there is, in this case, we simply print out no. Okay, okay. Other cases handle way. Other cases, case number third. If the k is the value is greater than equal to and x value is equal anything, anything, we handle the cases only x equal to 1 and k is value greater than equal to 2. So in this cases, suppose we take a small example and equal uh, 10, k की वैल्यू गिवन है 2 एंड x इक्वल टू 1. ओके, यानी 1 को यूज नहीं करना है और एंड यूज ओनली 2, क्योंकि 1 2 k I will use the value, so it will use only 2. So first we check it. If n modulo 2 equal 0, it means we can print the 2 number of times. How many times? If the number it divides it, so divide it, it will equal to 5 times. Okay, so if you add and if you use the sum of this number, that will equal to 10. Okay, again let's again example n equal 7 and k equal 3 and x equal 1. In this case, first you need to do, you can clear if x equal to 1 है, it means 1 don't use in this calculation of the sum of n number and use only the value 2 comma 3. So suppose first you write, you can check it if n is the odd number. If n is the odd number, if we subtract from odd numbers, subtract 3, it will be equal to the even. It become even. Okay, if even, then we can divide by 2, it give the modulo 0. It means we can print the 2 number of times, how many times after times it divide. Okay, okay, how many times we take the 3, it is only 1 times, so there is a 3. So there is the sum of all the number. You can check it, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So now you can check it my code. So there is a code. First we take the input n kx and x is not equal to 1. Simply we print yes, and its size and also iterate from 0 to n, we print 1 n times. Because if x is not equal to 1, then any number will be calculation by 1 add n times. Else if n is greater than or equal to 1 and k equal x1, it simply means if we don't use x and also value of should be 1, it definitely don't we calculate the sum of 1 without using the 1. So it simply print no. Else if k equal to and x equal to 1, so we check it modular remainder 0. So we check it and iterate from 1 to L. L is the how many times should be the number is divided. And finally check it if k is the greater than or equal to 10 and x equal 1. Here we check first even number. If the modulo is even, so finally print out the two types. After that, we added from this to this, and we also can do this. Now we, but you can check it. The test case failed because it has a multiple answers of that. Okay. Now you can copy. You can submit the code, but it is a finally the submit and accepted. You can check it. So waiting for coming the result. So you can check here running on test 3. So just you go forward to the getting accepted. It's too very slow. Finally you can check here. This will become accepted. So guys, you can check in my video and I hope my solution is very well and you self try and I hope mast rahe, chang rahe. Thank you.